Hey, this is Mrs. Beck, and I'm going to walk you through how to log into AR for any of families who may be struggling a little bit. You'll need to go to the link that I'll provide at the top here. I'll also put it in the Facebook post. You're going to click on I'm a student. You may be asked to put in our ASCS Renaissance ID. That is down here in the corner. I'll also add that onto the post. You're going to click I'm a student. Every student's username is their first letter of their first name and the first four of their last name, unless a sibling or relative has already had that. So for example, I have S Beck, so Simon has S Beck with the number 1 at the end. And the password is going to be your first initial of your first name and the first initial of your last name. You should have received this information. If you have any questions as to what yours is, please contact Mrs. Thom, who has the information for you. When you get to this page, it'll show the different practice quizzes or quizzes that your student has completed. You're going to click on Accelerated Reader. And then you're going to need to search for the title of the book you are reading. So for example, if you read a Berenstain Bears book, you can just search Berenstain Bears in general, or you can search by the exact name. And then you'll have to go through and find the book that your student read. Double check that it is the English version. There are some that have English and Spanish, and the picture of the book a lot of times look the same. When you find one that you are going to test on, you'll simply click Take Quiz. And when you are finished, it'll show you the score and ask if you would like to take another one. When you are all finished, if you have more than one child who is going to be testing, make sure you come up to the top here where you find your student's name and click on it, and make sure you log out. Otherwise, your students or your children may take the test as a sibling. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let us know.